What's up guys, it's Janita here and welcome back to another vlog. So today is Bali part 2 and we have started the day at a gold and silver jewelry store in Bali, which is pretty cool because it shows you how it's handmade and then they sell it as well. But the outside was extraordinary. Like look at that, look at all those statues, so beautiful. So yeah, me and my mom actually took photos outside for a long time. Totally worth it. And then we went to a place, no idea where, because it's part of a package, but where we saw traditional Balinese dancing, and I kid you not, it was amazing. So can't name this place, but somewhere in Ubud, because we're doing an Ubud tour, and this is one of the temples that we went to. Every temple that you go to, you have to wear a sarong if you're wearing shorts, which we were because it's really hot in Bali. But look at the temples, it's so gorgeous and it looks ancient when you're there, like it just looks handmade. So after this beautiful temple, we actually made our way to the rice fields. Now, this is quite famous place to take photos. But what people don't actually tell you is that every statue thing that you take a photo at, you have to pay for it. On top of that, you're already paying to go to the rice field. So yeah, like you're actually paying quite a bit as a whole. This is a pretty cool restaurant where there was a swing outside and I had a burger. Don't judge me. So we're in Ubud, we're in the monkey forest. Gotta make sure they don't steal my camera. Just spotted some wild monkeys. And more monkeys. So yeah, I took a million photos of these monkeys, but one of the most famous things to do in Ubud is to go to the Ubud monkey forest, which we have gone to. I don't know, everything's just laid out very nicely. Just make sure you don't take any valuables because these monkeys are very smart and they actually take things out of your bag, unzip your bag and take it out. I'm not even kidding, guys. So I actually saw a monkey unzip someone's bag and steal their headphones and run away. They look like beats too. Yep, totally worth the view. So if you like trekking and hiking and stuff, which you guys know that I do, this was actually the highlight of my trip. Away from the busyness. of everything and the serene, calm forest, which I really, really love. Say hi.
Hi. Having dinner in Star Anise restaurant. It makes it $2,000, $3,000, $4,000.
No, rupiah. So our day ended with an amazing dinner, and yeah, that was Bali part 2. I hope you join the next vlog. Janita J out. See ya.